Hey guys, I'm back with another C++ tutorial, and today I'm going to be covering variables. Today's variable is going to be an integer. So let's get right into this. Alright, so first thing you want to do is type in int. Int stands for integer. An integer is something like 83. Something that's not an integer is like an 83.8. So non-integers are things that have a decimal or a fraction. Like 83 and 1/4 is not an integer. It's in C++ language and in all those other things it's like a double and stuff. And then 83.8 is a decimal, which is not an integer because it's not a whole number. So today we're going to be working with integers because, well, they're super easy. So first thing you want to do is int, so integer, and then you want to name your integer, or your variable, and I'm just going to name it cat. And then what you want to do is give your integer named cat a value, which will be, say, 6. Or actually, I'm just going to do 5. Alright, so then you do one space down, and then you can do another integer, and then I'll do dog, and then that can equal 45. Alright, so what we just did was we created two integers and two variables, one named cat and the other named dog. So in cat, the cat's value is 5 and the dog's value is 45. So let's go down one more, and let's do integer sum. So now this is going to be our sum of these two. So we're going to do equals cat plus dog. And then on all of these you want to do semicolon. Sorry about that. Semicolon, because these are statements, otherwise it would not work. It would just stop there. Wouldn't do anything. Alright, so then you go down, and by the way, you can have as many spaces as you want. You can do this. I think it's just easier to read, like, say you're working on Google Docs or something, and, you know, it's just easier to read, or if you're sharing your source code, people can read it a lot better. So then you can go down, and then what you want to do is create one of those simple text statements. So cout is going to tell us that we are going to, it's going to print something on the screen. So what we tell the computer to do, it will read its sum. Alright, so cout, and then we're going to be doing these less than signs. And then what you don't even need to do parentheses or anything. You can just do sum. And then semicolon. So let's build and run this. And now, as you can see, the 5 plus 45 equals 50. And in the next tutorial, I will be doing a very, very basic calculator. It's just going to have some integers. It's going to have a new line of code, cin, which is going to be very interesting. Well, kind of interesting. It's just basically the opposite of that. And yeah. So I'm just going to answer a few questions if you have any questions. If you have any questions in the comments, just leave those below. And I might not be able to get to everyone, because, you know. I guess I will answer one question that some people want to know. What program am I using? As you can see up here, I'm using CodeBlocks 13.12. It's a free program. I might be doing a tutorial on how to download this, how to install it and stuff. As you can see, CodeBlocks right there. My iTunes and so yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and please, I guess I could say please subscribe, like, and comment. So yeah, ratings are much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.